Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best motorcycle handlebars for handling. Whether you're looking to boost performance, improve fuel efficiency, or just keep your engine running smooth, I've got you covered. This list is based on my personal experience and research, factoring in price, quality, durability, and overall value. If you want more details or a deeper review of each product, be sure to visit our website at www.bikerguides.com, and of course, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and engine tips. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Route to Motorcycle Handlebar. Upgrade your ride with the Route to Motorcycle Handlebar in black. Crafted from 6061 T6 aluminum, this 7/8" 22mm handlebar, 30.12-inch LX 6.14 H, fits dirt bikes, ATVs, and quads like CRF, YZF, KXF, KLX, RMZ, and DRZ. Its precision-formed, crimp-free arcs ensure durability, with a polished right end for smooth throttle twists and a knurled left end for secure grip. Upgraded crossbar pads and chest pad enhance rider protection and handlebar strength. Includes crossbar clamps and end cap screws. Compatible with major off-road models, it offers superior craftsmanship. Plus, Route's expert consultants are available for pre- and post-purchase support, ensuring a perfect fit for your off-road adventures. Number 2. Oxsmart Universal Motorcycle Handlebar. Enhance your ride with the Oxsmart Universal Motorcycle Handlebar in style 1 black. Crafted from forged billet aluminum with a hard anodized finish, this 1.13 kilograms handlebar, 26.77-inch LX 7.09W, fits most 125 cubic centimeter scooters with 7/8, 22mm clamps. Its high-strength adjustable and detachable design is waterproof, stainless, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability and a comfortable riding experience. Perfect for scooters, it's easy to install in just 15 to 30 minutes, letting you hit the road quickly. Ideal for riders seeking a sleek, reliable upgrade, this handlebar delivers style and performance for urban commutes or scenic trips. Get ready to plan your next adventure with Oxsmart's premium craftsmanship. Number 3. Dreamizer 7/8 Motorcycle Handlebars. Upgrade your ride with Dreamizer 7/8 Motorcycle Handlebars in black. Crafted from high-quality metal, these durable handlebars ensure long-lasting performance for daily use. Designed for universal fit, they seamlessly attach to bobbers, cafe racers, dirt bikes, and more, requiring no specialized tools for easy installation. With a 22mm diameter, they offer precise control and enhanced maneuverability, ensuring stability on or off-road. The sleek, modern design not only boosts handling, but also adds stylish flair to your bike, making it stand out. Perfect for riders of all sizes, these handlebars deliver comfort, reliability, and a responsive ride for vintage or modern motorcycles. Transform your biking experience with Dreamizer. Number 4. Annexion Motorcycle Drag Handlebar. Elevate your cruiser with the Annexion Motorcycle Drag Handlebar in chrome. Crafted from high-quality billet steel, this 27.56-inch LX 5.51W 22mm handlebar fits Sportster XL 883/1200, bobber, chopper, softail, Dyna, and CG 125. Its one-piece molding ensures superior bending resistance and stability, with no joints for durability. Carefully polished and painted, it boasts a retro, textured chrome finish, perfect for street bikes. A central scale pattern aids installation and provides anti-skid grip for handlebar brackets. Universal for cruisers, confirm size before purchase. This smart, stylish handlebar enhances control and adds a classic vibe to your ride. Contact customer service for fitment queries. Number 5. Annexion Motorcycle Handlebar. Ride in style with the Annexion Motorcycle Handlebar in black. Crafted from durable alloy steel with a textured powder-coated finish, this 26.77-inch LX 0.87W handlebar fits 7/8-inch mounts on Sportster XL 883/1200, bobber, chopper, softail, Dyna, or custom motorcycles. Its racy, minimalist design ensures comfort and longevity, built to withstand rigorous use. Perfect for enhancing control and aesthetics, it complements any bike with a sleek, bold look. Verify dimensions as shown in product images before purchase to ensure compatibility. Ideal for riders seeking a reliable, stylish upgrade, this handlebar delivers performance and durability for street or custom applications. Contact customer service for fitment questions.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.